Hello, smiling, lovely English learners. Today you will learn what the different vitamins do in simpler English. There is so much new vocabulary today to help you talk about your body, your health, and different foods. Vocabulary including nervous system, spine, diet, cells, immune system, water-soluble, fat-soluble, kidneys, excrete, store, nutrients, liver, wound, citrus fruits, animal products, deformity, clot, minerals, and many other foods. Welcome to Simple English Listening. I'm Tristan. I've been a qualified language teacher for about 10 years. We release podcasts every Sunday and YouTube videos every third Sunday to help you learn English. Information about these are in the video description and comments. Please subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss any episodes. Any new opportunities to learn with us. We will learn about vitamins A, C, D, E, K, and all the B vitamins, and learn the differences between water-soluble and fat-soluble vitamins, as well as which foods contain each vitamin. Vitamins do hundreds of important functions in your body. They are necessary to be healthy and strong. If we don't have enough, there's more chance we can get sick, such as getting a cold or having the flu. Also, we can get diseases. For example, rickets comes from not enough vitamin D. Scurvy comes from not enough vitamin C. Scurvy used to be common in the Navy and among sailors. Not enough vitamin A can leave a person blind, so not able to see, blind. Today's information comes from the website of the NHS. The NHS is the National Health Service of the UK, so the website is government run. I also cross-checked the info with some other websites. Okay, let's go. The two types of vitamins are water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins. Water-soluble vitamins are vitamins B, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 12, and vitamin C. Water-soluble vitamins travel freely in your body. If you have too much water-soluble vitamins, it's usually not a problem. Your kidneys will excrete them. Your kidneys will get rid of them. Your kidneys are the organs that clean and filter your blood and create urine. Urine is the more polite and formal word for pee-pee. Urine. And kidneys, you have two kidneys, one on each side of your lower back. So if you have too many water-soluble vitamins, your kidneys will excrete them as urine. Lots of new words for you there. However, fat-soluble vitamins cannot be excreted, cannot be gotten rid of so easily. Fat-soluble vitamins are vitamins A, D, E, and K. Fat-soluble vitamins are stored, are kept in your liver and in the fat of your body. Your liver is the organ which does many, many things, including cleaning your blood and creating and removing chemicals in your body. And it stores, the liver stores, it keeps important nutrients. Nutrients are vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, etc. These are nutrients. Now, your body cannot excrete fat-soluble vitamins easily. They cannot be urinated out like water-soluble vitamins. If you have too many fat-soluble vitamins, it can be dangerous. But this is rare. It is uncommon. The main difference between water and fat-soluble vitamins are that you must regularly eat water-soluble vitamins because they are not stored in your body. You should consume them daily or at least every few days. However, fat-soluble vitamins can be eaten weeks or even months apart because your body can store fat-soluble vitamins in your liver and in your fat. Okay, first we'll talk about water-soluble vitamins. The first vitamin we'll discuss is the one and only vitamin C. Vitamin C is what you see most in pill or tablet form. Your body does not naturally make vitamin C, and it can only keep a very tiny amount of vitamin C in your liver. So you need to take it often. Vitamin C helps keep our cells healthy. Cells are the tiniest parts of us. All living things are made of cells, and there are not just billions of cells in our body, but trillions, such as brain cells, blood cells, bone cells, fat cells, 37 trillion cells in the human body, to be exact. About 37 trillion. Vitamin C keeps your cells healthy, and also it helps us heal faster when we are wounded. A wound is when you get cut, and your skin breaks and bleeds. Some people also say that vitamin C helps defend us, helps protect us from getting a cold or flu, helps us recover faster. Vitamin C is in many foods, including citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. Grapefruits are the very, very big citrus fruits that some people have for breakfast. They taste extremely sour. Also, strawberries, black currants, and broccoli all have high levels of vitamin C. Next, the B vitamins, and there are many kinds. Vitamins B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 12. There are so many Bs because people used to believe all the Bs were the same vitamin. Since then, scientists have decided they are all actually separate vitamins. And some B vitamins aren't even classified as vitamins anymore. Science said goodbye to vitamins B4, 8, 10, as well as vitamins F to J. So we won't talk about them as they are not considered to be vitamins anymore. So B1 helps our body get energy from food, and it helps our nervous system. Our nervous system is what controls all the basic functions of our body, such as breathing, walking, thinking, feeling. The control center of your nervous system is your brain in your head. The highway of the nervous system is your spine. Your spine is the collection of bones running down your back. Your spine is connected to all of your nerves, and all together, these are the nervous system. B2 and 3 have similar functions to B1. They help you release energy from food, and they help your nervous system as well as keeping your skin and eyes healthy. B2 is in milk, eggs, cereals. Cereals are what some people have for breakfast. They are made of corn, wheat, and rice, basically grains. Grains grow in big fields, okay? Cereals and grains. B3 can also be found in cereals as well, corn, rice, wheat, etc., but also in meat, fish, and eggs. Interesting fact about B2, it can be destroyed by direct sunlight. So keep your B2 out of direct sunlight. So in a cupboard or in the fridge, maybe. Next, B6. B6 also helps release energy from food, but also helps your body carry oxygen around the body. It is found in meat, fish, nuts, soya beans, bananas, oats, milk. B7 helps your body make fat. What is fat? Why do we need fat? Actually, fat is important. Our fat is where we store energy. Fat is also essential. Essential meaning very important. It's essential for our brain and nervous system to work correctly. Also, fat is needed to transport fat-soluble vitamins around the body. B7 is found in a wide range of foods. You'll get all the B7 you need just from eating a balanced diet. A balanced diet means regularly eating a wide range of healthy foods. A balanced diet. You hear this expression often in reading and talking about nutrition. Luckily, here in Vietnam, it is quite easy to eat a balanced diet. I do find that people are quite healthy here. Next is B9, otherwise known as folic acid. Often, pregnant women make an effort to have B9 in their diet. It helps with birth defects. A birth defect is when there is something wrong with the baby, such as a physical or a mental problem. A birth defect. Also, B9 gives us healthier red blood cells. B9 is found in broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are the green vegetables that look like miniature, like mini cabbages or lettuce balls. Other leafy green vegetables are rich in B9, such as cabbage, spinach, kale, etc. Okay, now we're at the final water-soluble vitamin, B12. It helps you make red blood cells. Red blood cells are the blood cells that transport oxygen from your lungs to around your body. B12 also helps our nervous system and helps the body release energy from food. B12 is found in all animal products. Animal products are the umbrella term for meat, eggs, milk, fish, cheese, etc. Okay, let's have a quick break. Your diet meaning what you eat, is of course very important. Share with us in the comments, how is the diet in your country? What do you mostly eat there? What are some healthy foods that you like to eat in your culture? Or leave any comment or feedback. I love hearing from you guys. Okay, next, the fat-soluble vitamins. These are vitamins A, D, E, and K. A is found in many foods, especially in liver products and liver pate, but it's also in many animal products. Another source of vitamin A is oily fish. Oily fish is an umbrella term for fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines. Think of the fish that you buy in cans in the supermarket. These species of fish are oily fish. Vitamin A helps your immune system work properly. The immune system keeps you healthy and safe by fighting against dangerous germs, bacteria, infections. If you remember, vitamin C also helps your immune system. Also, vitamin A helps you see in the dark, interestingly enough, like a raccoon. Well, maybe not like a raccoon, but vitamin A is good for your eyes. It also helps keep your skin beautiful, healthy. Vitamin A can also be found in a wide range of vegetables and yellow fruit such as papaya, mango, and apricot. Next, vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Most people can get enough vitamin D just by sitting in the sunlight enough. It helps keep our bones, teeth, and muscles healthy. If you don't have enough vitamin D, there can be bone deformities and bone pain. A bone deformity is when your bones grow and develop incorrectly. Bone deformity. I've noticed in some East Asian cultures I've lived in, you see people hiding from the sun, running away and hiding and, putting a newspaper over their head and running into the shade if the sun comes out, like a vampire. If that's the case for you, well, vitamin D can also be found in oily fish as well as animal products. Okay, we have 2 more vitamins to go. Vitamin E. So this is the vitamin that a few of my friends take supplements for. Vitamin supplements are the little pills you can take to give you more of that vitamin. Why do they take E supplements? Well, it's because it gives you lovely hair, nails, and skin. They want to look good. It's good for your eyes and for your immune system, protecting you against diseases and illnesses. E can be naturally found in plant oils. Plant oils are an umbrella term for vegetable oil, sunflower oil, soya oil, corn and olive oil too. As well as in plant oils, it can also be found in nuts such as peanuts, hazelnuts, pistachios, and also in seeds such as sunflower and pumpkin seeds. And the final vitamin is vitamin K. I personally take vitamin K2, which is a supplement. The supplement I take is a vitamin D and K2 mix. Why do I take vitamin K2? Because, well, I'm getting older now, and vitamin K2 helps your skin heal and helps fade and helps lighten scars and dark spots, eye circles. So the skin around my eyes will appear younger and lighter, so the internet says. Also, K2 helps with spider veins, and stretch marks. Stretch marks are the lines that you get when your weight changes quickly. People with more body fat get stretch marks more. There are 3 types of vitamin K that have similar functions. They help your blood clot and it helps your skin heal, helps it recover when it's damaged or hurt. Your blood clots when you have hurt yourself and the blood dries to make a scab. When your blood dries, the correct word is it clots. So vitamin K helps your blood clot. So a scab can form and so your skin can heal and look brand new and beautiful again. Vitamin K is found in green leafy vegetables, vegetable oils, and in cereals, in grains, so wheat, oats, things that grow in fields. Well done if you've made it this far in the video. Let's quickly summarize what we've learned today. Okay, vitamin A is good for your immune system and skin. The B vitamins are mostly concerned with releasing energy from food, your nervous system, and to get healthier red blood cells and some other functions, as there are many B vitamins. Vitamin D is for your bones, teeth, and muscles. Well, your bones benefit from A and K too. E is for your skin, hair, and fingernails. And K helps your skin heal quicker, making you more like Wolverine from X-Men. Perhaps he's not actually a superhero. He's just a man who's taken too many vitamin K supplements. And the best foods to get these vitamins? Well, just a balanced diet of fresh, natural food. Leafy green vegetables, which, as we said, is an umbrella term for broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, spinach, especially broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which both seem to be superfoods. A superfood is very nutritious. Also, fresh fruits and animal products, such as milk, cheese, yogurt, and also don't forget your fish and oils, and oily fish, and your grains and cereals, such as wheat, oats, corn, and brown rice. Also, we don't just need vitamins, do we? Also, there are minerals. We need many minerals in our diet, such as iron, magnesium, potassium, zinc. We don't have time to discuss minerals. But please go online and do your own research. Try to do it in English. Challenge yourself. Research in English. If nutrition is something that interests you, maybe I'll have time to cover minerals in a future episode. Okay, please subscribe and listen to the podcast version of this as many times as you can. Try to listen to it at least 4 or 5 times because you will pick up more new English language and you'll hopefully remember more about the different vitamins, which is valuable. Great information to know. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and please leave a comment if you've benefited from this video. As I said, I love hearing from you guys and getting feedback. So take care, my friends, and catch you next time.